Hello and welcome to Motor Match Bolton. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking around this used vehicle. Introducing the 2023 model Volkswagen T-Roc Life that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the modernised ascot grey paintwork, alongside housing your 1 litre TSI engine and manual transmission. It is the ideal stylish and spacious upgrade for any small families or individuals. Packed with plenty of top features including your parking sensors, LED daytime running headlights, and of course your 16-inch alloy wheels. For further protection, you do have your power folding wing mirrors alongside a spacious boot area for daily essentials. The full cloth trim offers comfort all round with access to your armrests, central climate vents and power outlets. Moving into your front, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel for added convenience, followed by access to your central display and full cloth trimmed seats. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your various audio controls on the steering wheel, including your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, various audio and even your telephone connection. For further assistance, you do have your lane assist, adaptive cruise control and limiter features. Moving across, you do have your variation of radio stations to keep you well entertained, alongside your app Connect with your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You do also have your on-screen and vehicle information to easily keep an eye on the overall condition, alongside the activation of your front and rear sensors to assist with those awkward manoeuvres. And for a desired temperature, you do also have your on-screen climate control options. This is followed just below by your main touch buttons, alongside a handy charging pocket with your various power outlets and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.